maybe. So I go and check and all the boxes are empty, so I put that stone on here. Look at that. Now I ripped all that stone off. That's how much stone I had put on. That was from the other like from the indoor. Yo guys, welcome to this week's video. It's gonna be a bit different than usually. I'm not on my semi-truck. I am going to help out a friend do some brickwork on his house. That's what we're up to this week, so hope you enjoy the video. Give it a like, subscribe, and let's get started. See that house way over there? Can't really see it, that's how far I have to go. Let's see if I can go without stopping. Without spilling too much. Guys, I made a terrible mistake. Now it's Friday, so I've been working at this job since Monday, every day from 7 a.m. to like 9 p.m. until the sun goes down. Right now it's 7 p.m. So look what I've done so far. You see that right there? Around both of those corners. Let me go to this side so you can see. There you go. This is what I did today. And the scratch coat I did there yesterday. And then look at this mishap. I didn't know they had two different stones. So I just started working hard. And then I get a call, say, hey, where's that stone? Is that stone here for the indoors? I'm like, maybe. So I go and check and all the boxes are empty. So I put that stone on here. Look at that. Now I ripped all that stone off. That's how much stone I had put on. That was from the other, like from the indoor stone. So I ripped all of that off and we have to clean it. I put it there. And then we can reuse it for indoors. But yeah, that's sometimes the business like that, you know. Yeah. You lose some money, but you have to make the customer happy. That's number one. So, and then this is the back. So I'm gonna do stone here as well. I did the scratch code yesterday. So this house, and then they want to do black siding. That's gonna look so crazy good. Oh man, I'm so tired. I feel like I just had a heat stroke today. It's like plus 30. And yeah, so let's see if we can get a thumbnail for YouTube, and then I have to go home.